Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kemi, and if this is your first time, you are highly welcome. In today's video, we are going to be looking at a pimple and acne treatment solution. This product is going to help you to treat your acne and deal with your acne, every issues that you have with acne. So if you are somebody that is battling with acne, pimples, pores, hyperpigmentation, then please relax and watch this video, especially for teenagers in this 18 to 19 who are just starting the skincare journey, but they are battling with hormonal acne and you don't know what to do. You have tried everything and nothing is working. This video is for you. Today we're looking at this product called the anti-pimples. Now the anti-pimples has been around for a very long time. Oh sorry, I'm showing you the back. So that's the toner. So this toner has three types. This is the carrot. I think there's a papaya. I'm not 100% sure. I need to go and check. And they also have the natural one, which is the herbal one. This toner is very effective. It is very effective. Now one thing I don't want you to be bothered about is because they put the extra skin bleaching, it's not really going to bleach your skin, but it is going to help you dry out that acne. Like if you have fresh acne that are just coming up and you want something that will just help you to dry it out, then you need to get this toner. So the first step is to get the anti-pimple soap. I don't have the soap with me right here, but I'm going to insert the picture so that when you guys want to buy, you will know what to buy. And if you want to buy from me, you can always buy from me. I sell them. So this soap is very good. This anti-pimple soap is very good when it comes to fighting pimples and acne. It is super effective. We have been talking about this soap for a while. I have a video about this soap before on this channel because it is effective, and up to today it is still working. It is a Philippine soap. When it comes to soap, Philippine people knows how to make soap, and that is the honest truth. They know how to make good soap that is very effective. Now these other ones are not from Philippines, but we can match them together to give you good. The pimple soap is different from the company that makes this face cream. We have to be honest. I don't lie to you on this channel. That soap is made in the Philippines, while this one is made in Nigeria. I am 100% sure that. So both, it is effective, and if you put them together, the result is going to wow you. So if you are someone battling with acne, pimples, hyperpigmentation, irritation all over your skin, come and get this. A teenager who's facing hormonal acne, anyone facing hormonal acne, or somebody that doesn't just all of a sudden you've had a very good skin and all of a sudden you started experiencing breakout, please come and try this combo. So you get the soap. I'm going to insert the picture of the soap. Use it to wash your face twice in a day, and then after you have washed parts, leave your face to dry by itself. That's another thing I need to tell you guys. Stop using your towel on your face. Stop using any wipes on your face. Stop using anything on your face. When you wash your face, leave it to self-dry. All these things that you're using to dry your face, they're one of the things that is causing harm to your face. If you don't know, your face will dry within a minute or two after you come out of the shower. Just leave it to dry by itself, and then get your toner. You can use a toning pad, you can use a normal cotton wool, but I don't use all that. I put a little bit on my palm and then I dab it onto my face. So you just tap, or you can rub, whichever one, but you can also use a cotton pad if that is convenient for you. Do whatever is comfortable for you and is convenient for you. Fresh breakout, then just dab it in. Don't use a cotton pad, don't rub, just dab it in, and just make sure you have enough all over your face and your neck. Apply on your neck so that your face is not going to be lighter than your neck. So always apply on your neck, and then give it like a minute or two for it to settle down, for it to dry. If you have a fan, just put a fan on your face, let it go down into your skin, and then you can follow up with any of this face cream. The result that you will get, you will come back and thank me, because these are very effective remedy that works when it comes to anti-pimples. These are products that people are selling to you. Maybe they repackage it and they're selling it to you as pimples face cream, and you are saying, it works. These are what they're selling. This face cream works wonders. They are very effective. The three of them are very good. So if you combine these three things together, the soap, which I'm going to insert, the cleanser, and also any of this face cream, oh my god, the result you're going to get will be very good. It will be a way with acne, away with pimples, away with skin irritation. These are effective products that I'm giving you guys. You don't need to go and buy any acne face cream from anybody or acne soap from anybody. Use this. It is effective. It is very, very effective, and they are easily accessible. I sell all of them. If you want to buy, they are available on my website. You can also walk into an Nigerian store at Ibadan and just order your own. We have all the other toners. I didn't bring them here. We have them. We also have the soap. When I was bringing things home for this video, I forgot to take the soap, but they are all available. Please, these are unique ingredients that will really help to transform your skin, help to elevate your skin to another level, and help you to take care of your skin. And it breaks my heart when I see people with acne. I'm like, come to me, I can give you a solution to acne. And if you have never tried my acne black soap, you also need to try that one, because that is also a very, 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 very effective black soap that will help you dry out that acne. Wherever that acne is coming from, that soap will treat it. Thank you guys for watching. If you have used any of this product and it worked for you, or even if it doesn't work for you, please leave a comment for me. Are you interested? Are you battling acne? Do you have any question? Please ask in the comment section. I will be there to answer all your questions. If you have watched this video till now and you have not been moved to subscribe or to like, I don't know, what would I do to make you like me? Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment. Until next time, stay blessed.